Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we will do a quick unboxing for this new DJI Mavic Air firmware combo. This aircraft just arrived today, and we will do a quick unboxing and see what inside the box we have with this firmware combo. So we will take out all the parts, then we'll show you one by one. So this comes with this box. Inside is a Mavic Air. Okay, the box very nice actually, and with this menu. Okay, we will go through later. The firmware combo also comes with this bag. So the bag inside, all the accessory is included. So this is a remote control, and this box we take out all the boxes first. And the storage actually very nice. It's kept very well. So inside do have two extra battery. So the battery is empty, actually need to charge later on. And a power cord. This is a battery charging hub. Charging adapter. Okay, in front also do have a storage. You can store a lot of things inside this bag. So we go through later on. So also it do come with this prop card. So this is a prop card, and this user menu. It have a Chinese and English version. So that user menu we will go through later on. So they do come with some Chinese sticker as well. This is for DJI K. So we'll go through later on for this. So this box inside is empty, nothing. Okay, basically the box, the firmware combo is come with this storage bag, and this aircraft with this box, this storage soft box actually, and then a charger, two battery extra. So this is a prop card. And we check inside the box. Okay, inside do have a lot of accessory. They come with 4 set extra propellers. This is a USB Type-C cable, and this is extra cable for the RC. They have a micro USB and this USB Type-C connection. So this is a battery power bank adapter. So you can use this adapter to charge your handphone. Okay, so you can use it to charge your handphone as a power bank. And then it do come with this extra joystick and the USB connector. So this is a remote control. Actually, the remote control is similar like DJI Spark. So this part it will keep this joystick, so you can screw in anytime. If you want to keep it for traveling, very good design. So it can be removable. So the default, the stock is come with this install with this iOS cable. Here do have one extra USB port. This remote control actually is 2.4 and 5.8 channel. So for controlling this 2.4 or 5.8, you have to use this DJI Go 4 apps. The button seem like a DJI Spark. So this is a sport mode button, function button. I like this design because this joystick is removable, so easy to use for keep your remote control without getting any damage for the joystick. This is one of the good design actually. And this is a battery charging hub. It can be opened actually. So the battery you can straight away clip in and charge. You can charge the battery, four battery for this battery charging hub. And the last we see this Mavic Air. I prefer to choose this white color. So the propellers is different. This propeller cannot folding. It's not like a DJI Mavic. So fold the rear arm downward. Okay, you have to fold the rear arm first, then only you open up the front. And then here is the new design antenna. This is a new design omnidirectional antenna, it will get more better reception. Also that this is 4K camera gimbal, 3-axis gimbal, and then this cover also very nice. It is fully protect this gimbal. So this aircraft have a front sensor, down sensor, and also to have a back sensor. The backlight actually is similar like a DJI Spark. You can press the button to buy your aircraft with this remote control. Either you can press and hold to buy with your handphone to fly with a Wi-Fi signal. So behind here is for memory card storage, and then there's a Type-C USB port. This one is for a firmware update. Design very nice. It's not heavy. Smaller than Mavic. A bit bigger than DJI Spark actually. So this is a battery installation. Without the battery also very light. I love this design actually. So we will do a quick test later on after we do a fully charged, because this part is only a part 1. We are just doing a quick unboxing to show you what inside this 5 more combo package that do come with the accessory. The battery new design also actually very secure. It cannot be drop out the battery. The clip very secure. So it's no battery now, we need to charge, so I cannot do a test. We will, after we fully charge, then we will do the firmware update first. Then only we are going to do a quick test. Thank you for watching.